Kepler Company unveiled its groundbreaking Kepler Forerunner series of general-purpose humanoid robots at the 2024 Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. The event was notable for its substantial Chinese representation, with over 1,100 Chinese companies among the 4,000 exhibitors, accounting for an impressive 25% of all participants. Kepler Exploration Robotics is committed to researching, developing, and manufacturing general-purpose humanoid robots, addressing the challenge of labor shortages. The company's flagship, the Kepler Humanoid robot, features a highly bionic structure encompassing 40 degrees of freedom. This includes 11 DOF in its smart hands. The robot stands at a height of 175 centimeters and weighs 85 kilograms, showcasing a design that closely mimics human anatomy and movement. The Kepler humanoid robot is equipped with self-designed planetary roller screw actuators and rotary harmonic drive actuators, ensuring robust and powerful performance. It is outfitted with a suite of advanced sensors, including 3D vision sensors, fisheye cameras, IMU, and an array of torque, force, and position sensors. These technologies enable the robot to intricately perceive and analyze its environment, enhancing its operational capabilities. At the core of Kepler's functionality is its use of cutting-edge technologies like deep learning, reinforcement learning, and multimodal large language model technologies. This integration of embodied intelligence allows the robot to adapt and excel in a wide range of applications. Furthermore, Kepler Exploration Robotics offers an open development platform, inviting developers and integrators to create bespoke solutions that leverage the robot's advanced capabilities. This approach not only fosters innovation, but also extends the robot's applicability across various industries. Manufactured by China's Kepler Exploration Robot Company, the Forerunner is designed to be a direct competitor to Tesla's Optimus robot. That said, it is a bit more expensive. Whereas the latest price estimate for the Optimus is less than $20,000, the Forerunner ought to go for about $30,000. One of the robot's big selling features are the proprietary planetary roller screw actuators in its arms and legs. These deliver up to 8,000 newtons, 1,798 pound force of thrust to the elbow, knee, and ankle joints.